Are your cucumber plants struggling to grow? If they're stuck with just a few leaves and barely any progress, it can be incredibly frustrating. Today, I'm breaking down the 4 main reasons why this happens and, more importantly, how you can help your plants bounce back. First is nutrient deficiency. Cucumbers are heavy feeders. They need plenty of nutrition, especially nitrogen, to support their rapid growth. Second, even if your soil is rich in nutrients, your plants may struggle to absorb them if the soil structure or pH isn't quite right. The third reason is E, overwatering or inconsistent watering. When you water too much or too little, the plant gets stressed and focuses on just staying alive instead of growing cucumbers or holding onto its flowers. But the most common culprit, especially in early spring, is cold weather. Cucumbers love the heat. When daytime temperatures stay below 15 degrees Celsius and nights drop to 5 degrees Celsius or lower, growth essentially stalls. Cold soil prevents the roots from functioning efficiently, which means adding extra fertilizer right now won't help much until things warm up. Once night temperatures reach at least 10 degrees Celsius and daytime temps are consistently between 20 degrees Celsius and 25 degrees Celsius, your plants are ready for a boost.
Here is how to make a simple DIY rice water fertilizer to support their recovery. Combine 2 tablespoons of uncooked rice and 1 liter of water. Stir well and let it sit for 30 minutes. Strain the liquid, keep the water, and you can use the rice for cooking later. Then add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, mix well, and let it ferment for 24 hours. This allows the natural starches and compounds in the rice to release into the water. To apply, first water your plants with plain water to ensure the soil is moist. Then pour about 200 to 300 milliliters of your rice water around the base of each plant. This mixture acts as a gentle stimulant, supporting beneficial soil microorganisms and encouraging healthy root activity. For the best results, apply the solution once every 10 to 14 days during their active growth phase. Just remember, rice water is a supplement, not a complete food. It works best when combined with regular balanced fertilization, consistent watering, and most importantly, plenty of sunshine.